has been focusing on humidifier manufacturing for years, and now we have many different models of humidifiers, from mechanical to touch control, from simple design to smart design, from coolest to warmest, from purification to sterilization, and now more new models are coming.
Dear all my friends, good day. Welcome to Smillon 127 Canton Fair Live. This is Catherine. Today we have our sales representative, Lynn, to share us with the 6 steps to make sure mass production perfect.
Hello everyone.
And Lynn, could you please tell us what are the 6 steps to make Smillon mass production perfect?
The 6 steps to make mass production perfect is actually the way we do quality control. For over years, we've been improving our QC system to make humidifiers as good quality as possible. And now our factory quality control system has got ISO 9001 approval. The 6 steps are screening qualified supplier, incoming quality check, first article check, input process quality control, finished quality check, and outgoing quality check.
Lynn, I noticed that the first step is screening qualified supplier, but I don't understand why is this so important.
This is a good question. We always carefully screen for suppliers. We require the parts to be strictly conform to rules, and they must be safe and have stable quality to ensure our products to get CE, ETL, and other certifications. We mainly work with those suppliers who hold the same attitude towards quality, and we want them to be well cooperating. In this way, we are not only making sure the quality of our products, but also making sure the lead time of the mass production. We maintain good relationship with our suppliers in case that there are some quality problems happen. Our suppliers will always stand by and help us out.
I see. So it is like making friends and keeping good friendship with right persons. And we work with good and cooperating suppliers and keep close connection with them to help each other become better and better.
Exactly.
Incoming check has been always important. Could you please tell in details about Smillon incoming check?
Sure. All the incoming components will be carefully checked. Fan, hardware, mix board, switch board, main circuit board, power cord, PTC, negative ionizer, plastic parts, and packing materials. We sample them to check model, measurement, appearance, working current, job test, working in constant temperature and humidity chamber, constant temperature and drying oven, salt spray test to make sure every lot of parts are conform to quality requirement.
Lynn, so are we going to show some of the checking today?
Yes, let's watch the video for some of the functioning tests for the incoming parts.
Thanks for your preparing us the videos. And what about the first article check? And why is it so important?
Well, before mass production, the workshop will assemble one piece of unit and call for QC first article check. The first article check not only helps to ensure the units are exactly conformed to the order, but also help us to find possible problems before mass production, so as to help us save time and labor. For the first article, QC will check packing details, labels, appearance, assembly status, safety, including electric strength test, and leakage current, function, low voltage operation, function and power test, waterless auto-off protection, noise level, mist capacity, water tank handle pulling force test, water tank sealing test, power core pulling force test, life test, and drop test.
It looks like checking for finished products.
Yes, the checklist for the first article is based on finished products check standard. But we done this before mass production in case that there will be any missing parts or wrong operation. If we find any problems, we will hold on production and make correction.
Yeah, it is a good way to find problems beforehand and avoid a lot of problems. And once problem found can save time and energy.
Exactly.
And let's move on to input process quality control. Please help us.
We make sure every worker is well trained to enable them with the ability of assembly and self-checking. So every worker is checking his own job. We also have on-spot QC to check 100% safety, 100% 15 to 20 minutes live test, 100% functioning test, and 100% water tank sealing test. We also have IPQC to walk around and make sure every worker and every on-spot QC is doing correct job. IPQC will also collect some half-finished units to check in the laboratory. We call this double quality assurance.
Worker shelf checking. On-spot QC 100% test for safety and function. IPQC to double check. I believe that in this way, mass production will be well assured.
Yes, and actually we have prepared some videos for IPQC and on-spot QC. Let's have a look.
How about finish quality check?
When mass production finished, Smillon QC will sample some finished products to have finished quality check. If there is special requirement for the order, we will do checking accordingly. This random selection finished product check will also help to find possibility of mass production problems. And if we do find problems, we can rework before shipping out to our clients and avoid troubling them.
Good job. Now please explain outgoing quality check.
Outgoing quality check or pre-shipment inspection can be carried out by client's QC or third-party QC or Smillon's QC. It's up to the client. When the client's QC or third-party QC come for inspection, our QC team will always stand by and offer necessary help and support. When clients entrust the inspection to Smillon QC, we will carry it out accordingly, and we will also take pictures and offer inspection report. All we are doing is to make sure everything is in good condition. Whenever we come across with problems, we will find ways to solve and improve, and to make sure to avoid this same problem in the future. In this way, we think Smillon quality will become better and better.
The show is about to the end. Thank you for watching.
And if you still have more questions, please come to us. We will still be here ready for you. Thank you very much.